Hey y'all, so welcome to a new vlog. So we're starting off the vlog in tonight. We're heading to a movie Saturday night. So happy Saturday to you all, or whenever you guys see this video. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick fit. I'm running late as usual, but we're dressing simple today. I don't even know if you guys can even see the full fit, but y'all, yeah, we'll go in the mirror. So we're just wearing this cute it's not boyfriend jeans, but it's just cute cut-up jeans. We're wearing or regular MK sandals. We're wearing our Zara sandals, and you see we're matching. We're going with this ivory type of vibe tonight, so we're all dressed and ready.
Talk to me, we're getting close.
Friday, so happy weekend to you. Happy Friday. So I'm all dressed and heading out to Janga's. I just thought I would just go out tonight. Friday night is not really my thing to go out. So when it's come on to Friday, like I like to relax and whatever, but I'm in the mood and my friends are heading there, so I'm gonna join them and I'm just gonna show you guys a full fit. We're definitely dressing simple today on a Friday. They're going up biker tight, just a long sleeve thing, and my sandals here. And yeah, and a bag to match. I'm moving with like a nude type of vibe, so that's it. And then I just put my hair in one and all of that, so yeah.
I show my moves on everybody try to do it, and now we do it. Bad man, if I evil business, I don't fuck it up and I'm the greatest thing now. Can't treat me.
I say it is a pity. You already have your wife.
Atta anaya, atta anaya. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm
Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day. It's a Saturday morning. Well, it is not morning actually. It is going on to 2 o'clock right now, and I have like a few errands to run. I need to pick up my packages and then to just head to the supermarket to just pick up a little, a little something. Again, I did go to the supermarket one day, but I need to just pick up 1 and 2 little knickknacks, and so I can prepare dinner for tomorrow and then actually for the rest of the week. I won't be eating any rice for this week. I haven't eaten any rice starting this week today, starting from Monday. So going on to 2 weeks now, no rice. That is the aim. So I won't be cooking rice tomorrow. So I need to get some ground provisions, sweet potato, Irish, green banana. So that's what I'll be eating. That's what I will be eating for the upcoming week, because the girl is watching her belly. Yeah, so we're gonna head out right now. There's definitely no sun outside. It is looking very dark, so we may have rains for today. So yeah, let me hurry up, run these errands, and then come back home. Let me show you guys a full fit. And yeah, let's go on the road, y'all. So I'm sticking with my new theme that I had going on last night. So just within this basic top jeans, I'm wearing the same sandals and bag that I wore last night. And last night was pretty fun, y'all. Like the routine that I did, number one, we went to Janga's finally, and then we went to Ribby's after to end the night. Like, it was a crazy time last night. But anyways, let's go, y'all. Home. The neighbors is playing music right now, so I don't even know if like the music is that evident in the video, so I probably need to stop the video and check because it's pretty loud here on my end. Ooh, about a pair. I had this for like a week now, and I don't know, I probably need to cut it and see because it definitely still seems tough on the outside. I don't know when pear ripe, you know. I cut a small piece and see. Anyways, let me just stop the camera and see if like the music is that loud. If it is, then yeah, I want to avoid the copyright problems. Yeah, y'all, the music is so loud, so no back talking. It is very loud. But yeah, I'm back home for my errands and all of that, so that is great. I haven't ate anything from morning. It's going on to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Like I literally have not had water, juice, nothing. So I did grab some chicken from the supermarket, rotisserie chicken. So I'm gonna do that with some steamed veg and then just go on and watch Bridgerton. I've started watching Bridgerton because my CSI, I finished watching CSI. So of course I'm finding a new series. So I'm going on to Bridgerton right now, season 2, and I am loving it. I love it. Anyways, no talking. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Or we don't know when, but yeah. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So we're all dressed up, y'all. We are heading to I Love Souls, y'all. This is just like my regular routine. If I plan to go out on a Sunday, I will be going to I Love Souls. As the name says, I Love Souls, they play souls music straight. So we are working with this cute fit, dressing very simple. Just this wrap skirt, top, bag, and our sandals here. Yeah, but today I actually didn't like vlog today because I just got up, cook, and just watch Bridgerton all day. So yes, I'm late to Bridgerton. I know it has been, you know, on Netflix for a while, and I saw all the reviews and the hype about it, but I just wanted to wait because I was watching CSI. Wait, I was watching Dr. House first, and that finished. And then I was CSI on Netflix, so I finished that. So I thought, you know, Bridgerton would have been next on my list. So I started watching that, and I'm fully finished now. Fully done. So I love that series. That series, I can see the hype that it was given on social media. So if y'all don't watch it yet, I recommend go and watch it. But this is a fit, like I said. It's after 9 o'clock. We're definitely not staying out too late because it's a Sunday. I think the event probably finishes at midnight. But yeah. So this weekend was definitely just relaxing this week. I don't think I've vlogged much, but I mean, this may be the end of the vlog for tonight, but I appreciate you guys for watching, and I am getting 1 or 2 new subscribers, so I appreciate you guys for that, and I hope you guys stick and stay for the rest of my YouTube journey. And yeah, just subscribe and share the video if y'all like my content. I know it's very simple, and what I do is basic stuff, but we're real over here. But anyways, we need to go. Starting to sweat. It's August, and yeah, if you look at me, y'all can see the face. It's sweating already. But anyways, we are wearing our natural hair. We're not in an extension today, no clippings. But yeah, enough for the check-in, and I appreciate you guys again for watching, and I'll see you, I don't know when, but peace.
Atta, Anaya. Atta, Anaya. I know you're gonna like it.